Hello, welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. It is getting hot here in Vegas, so I'm gonna whip up a little bit of coleslaw. It sounded so good today. There's a million ways to make a coleslaw, and I'm sure you can find a million recipes. I'm going to just, eyeball it like I do everything, right? So about a half a cup of mayo. I'm gonna do just a little bit of sour cream, like half the mayonnaise. I'm gonna do a couple of tablespoons of, this is cane sugar, maybe like 3. You don't want it to be too sweet, but you definitely want there to be a little bit of sweetness. I've said it before, the best part about cooking at home is you can make little adjustments. Now, a lot of times this is apple cider vinegar, but I love this white vinegar from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons, probably like the same as the sugar, 3 tablespoons of vinegar in there. This one's a personal preference thing. I just really love Dijon mustard, so I'm gonna put a little Dijon mustard. And then we're just gonna give it a little whiskey. And then the most important part, a tasty before we add anything else to it. I love dressings like this because you could really, coleslaw is like so versatile, right? If you wanted this to be spicy, instead of sugar, maybe use like hot honey, right? Or you could just add like red pepper flakes or chili. You could add garlic. You could add, we're definitely gonna add a little salt and pepper too. You can do that right now. A little salt, not too much because the elements here are a little bit salty. Mayo is a little bit salty. And it's I love black pepper. So I'm gonna put quite a bit of pepper in there. And I'm just gonna give that another whisk, and then we're gonna taste. Okay, I wanted it a little bit creamier, so I added a little bit of sour cream. It's very sharp and very vinegary because that's how I like it. You could use less vinegar. I bought this coleslaw mix. This is just your cabbage and carrots, like already ready to go, and you can just throw it in the bowl. How amazing is that? If you wanna save money, definitely shave up the cabbage and the carrots and everything on your own. For me, I probably won't make it, right? I love the convenience of having that pre-bag, and then you're just gonna give it a good toss. Delicious, sharp, pungent. However it tastes now is going to be stronger than how it tastes after it sits in the fridge. And that's what you wanna do. You wanna put this in the fridge so that everything sort of wilts and combines together. So you want the flavor to be very potent at this point, which it is. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. It'll be ready to munch on for dinner later or whenever I feel like it.